Hi folks, this is Oliver from Airbest Instruments. Thought I'd do a quick video about the Wiser Vibe app now that you've received your sensor. First thing that we need to do is go to the App Store and search for the Wiser Vibe app. You can do this by just typing Wiser Vibe or Airbest Instruments, either of those will bring up the application. And now we need to download it from the store. Mine's already downloaded, just press open. And now we've got a few things that we want to go over, which is the 5 main icons on the home screen. Here we've got on the top left is the analyzer, top right is the root data collection, bottom left is the folder browser. Here are all of our saved recordings. The bottom right is the history and trends tab. For this video we want to go into the analyzer. Here I've opened up my analyzer, so I'm ready to start taking a reading. First off, before I carry on any further than this, I need to pair my sensor. So using the Triaxial E-Wiser, just a few things to note. So we've got an on button here, just 3 seconds, hold it, turns on. LEMO connection port, this is for the charger and additional sensors. So we've got the tachometer or an additional vibration sensor for balancing, for example. Now that we've turned that on, we can go over to the settings in the iPhone and go to Wi-Fi. What we should see is that eWiser comes up in the network. Now we just need to put in the password of 88 and then hit join. Should now have joined. Now if we go back over to the Wiser Vibe app, so we still need to connect our sensor. We have a plug symbol on the bottom right hand corner, and it'll ask us to join the eWiser network, which we can go and do, and it should automatically go through and say, do you want to connect to this? And you hit OK. The other thing that might be wrong, that we might need to change, is that our connection type may still be on USB. So if we just hit that over to Wi-Fi, channels, we can change that from single axis to triaxial, and if we've got a tachometer we can add in a reference point. Now that we've connected our sensor, my button on the bottom right hand corner has gone green and I'm ready to capture data. I'm going to just go back to a recording I've just done. So in File Browser we can have a look at our history of something that we've already recorded. So in here I've just renamed one called reading number 1. Here we've got in our time waveform, you can see 3 different colours. These are our 3 different channels. If we click the bottom tab, we have details about our 3 channels. Going into the cog, we can review the data and how it was collected. So here we can see that this was at 102,400 lines of resolution. Going back onto the main menu from here, there's a few things that we can do. We can swipe and rename a point. Reading number 2. And we can hit share through email, select the ones that we want to select and go send now. And then we can email those to the appropriate person. Done. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.